Welcome to Tech Factory, futuristic vehicles and gadgets that will change transportation forever. Your destination for the latest in gadgets, electric vehicles, and futuristic tech. Let's explore the innovations of tomorrow, today. Motorola Bendable Concept Mobile. Unveiled at Lenovo Tech World 2023, the Motorola Bendable Concept Mobile introduces a new era of smartphone innovation. This revolutionary phone features a flexible display that can be bent and shaped into various forms. It adapts to your needs, whether you want to use it as a traditional smartphone, fold it into a tent shape for hands-free video calls, or even wrap it around your wrist like a bracelet. The phone comes with a 6.9-inch full display that folds in half for added convenience. When folded, it measures 4.6 inches tall and 2.8 inches wide, making it compact and portable. When fully unfolded, it expands to 6.9 inches tall and 3.4 inches wide, providing a larger screen for immersive use. Under the hood, it's powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, paired with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, ensuring smooth performance. The phone also excels in photography, boasting a 50-megapixel rear camera and a 16-megapixel front camera for stunning shots and selfies. This futuristic device showcases Motorola's commitment to pushing boundaries in mobile technology. The Motorola Bendable Concept Mobile redefines versatility, making it a game-changer in the smartphone world. Better.Bike Pebl. The Pebble is a tough yet eco-friendly ride made from a hemp and soy composite. It ditches traditional fiberglass and plastic for a greener alternative. Whether it's a blazing summer or a rainy winter, the Pebble keeps you covered, literally. Its doors can roll up for a breezy summer ride or zip down to keep you warm in the cold. There's even an optional heater for added comfort. The Pebble pedals like a bike but also comes with electric assistance. It has a range of 25 miles on a single charge. Need to go further? Add up to 3 extra batteries to extend your range to 100 miles. It's packed with car-like features, including reverse, cruise control, and a USB port for your gadgets. The Pebble cruises at a top speed of 20 miles per hour and is classified as an e-bike. That means no insurance or registration hassles. It's also practical. The rear compartment can haul groceries or even kids, making it perfect for errands or family rides. ESTECO Technology. ESTECO is a leading software company specializing in numerical optimization and simulation data management. With over 25 years of experience, ESTECO is at the forefront of the digital engineering journey, helping companies worldwide enhance their processes. Their key products, Volta and Mode Frontier, streamline simulation processes and optimize product design. These technologies make it easier for teams to collaborate, manage vast amounts of simulation data, and perform multidisciplinary design optimization studies. With over 300 organizations using their solutions, ESTECO has helped companies in various industries accelerate their product development. ESTECO is truly revolutionizing the field of digital engineering solutions. The future of digital engineering is here, and it's powered by ESTECO. Aerosystems S5M Starling Cargo. Introducing the Aerosystems S5M Starling Cargo, an advanced electric air cargo demonstrator that's pushing the boundaries of aerodynamics and flight control systems. This subscale model is key to refining new technologies and setting standards for future commercial aircraft. It's also helping in the certification process, making sure everything is ready for real-world use. The S5M can be flown manually or operated remotely, giving you flexibility in how it's controlled. It reaches an impressive cruise speed of 95.5 miles per hour, covers a range of 135 miles, and can fly at altitudes up to 9,843 feet. Despite its compact size, it can carry a payload of 132 pounds and has a maximum takeoff weight of 1,323 pounds. The aircraft features 6 propellers, including ducted fans and a pusher propeller, all powered by efficient battery packs. The sleek fuselage is made of carbon fiber composite, giving it strength and lightweight performance. It also includes tricycle-wheeled landing gear for smooth takeoffs and landings, while its distributed electric propulsion system enhances both safety and reliability. The Aerosystems S5M Starling Cargo is a cutting-edge step forward in electric aviation, offering a glimpse into the future of cargo transport. Eilik. Meet Eilik, a small, furry robot with big eyes and a wide range of emotions. This adorable companion is designed to interact with you and bring joy to your daily life. Eilik comes with a built-in touch sensor that makes him highly responsive to your touch. Tap his head, and he'll show a happy expression. Touch his stomach, and he reacts with surprise. You can also pet him on the back or head, and he'll respond by purring. Equipped with a variety of sensors, Eilik interacts not just with you but also with his surroundings. He can detect light, sound, and movement and even recognize other Eilik robots nearby. This makes him highly interactive and full of personality. Eilik is perfect for people of all ages. Whether you're looking for a fun companion or low-maintenance alternative to a pet, he fits the role perfectly. Eilik is easy to care for and guarantees endless entertainment with his playful and emotional reactions. This little robot is more than a gadget. It's a delightful companion that can brighten up anyone's day. Would you like to explore his features in more detail? Harley-Davidson Tri Glide Ultra. When it comes to iconic bikes, Harley-Davidson always stands out. Meet the Tri Glide Ultra, a touring model designed for long-distance comfort and performance. At its heart is a 114 cubic inch engine paired with a premium suspension system, specifically adapted for the unique features of a trike. This combination delivers a smooth, powerful, and reliable ride. Every detail of the Tri Glide Ultra is crafted with touring in mind. The redesigned fairing is aerodynamically optimized to reduce head buffering, ensuring a more comfortable ride even at higher speeds. Storage is another highlight. The built-in trunk offers 4.4 cubic feet of space and holds up to 51 pounds of luggage. For those who need even more room, an optional trunk adds an extra 2.4 cubic feet. The Cruise Drive 6-speed transmission ensures smooth and quiet gear shifts, making long journeys more enjoyable. The trike is also efficient, consuming about 2 gallons of fuel per 62 miles, with a fuel tank capacity of 6 gallons. To keep you entertained on the road, the Tri Glide Ultra comes with a Bluetooth-enabled infotainment system featuring 4 speakers for an immersive audio experience. Whether you're hitting the open road or cruising through the city, the Harley-Davidson Tri Glide Ultra is built to deliver comfort, convenience, and that signature Harley-Davidson performance. Klein Vision AirCar. The Klein Vision AirCar is not just a car, it's a revolutionary blend of a car and an aircraft. This dual-purpose vehicle offers a futuristic approach to personal transportation. What sets it apart? The AirCar transforms seamlessly from a road vehicle to an aircraft. Thanks to its retractable wings and a rear-mounted propeller, the transition takes only minutes. On the ground, it drives like a regular car, reaching speeds of up to 100 miles per hour. But when it takes to the skies, it can soar at 120 miles per hour. With a range of around 600 miles, it's perfect for both short commutes and longer trips. The AirCar is powered by a robust engine, ensuring reliable performance whether you're driving or flying. Its sleek design is not just for looks, it enhances aerodynamics and efficiency. This innovative vehicle isn't just about getting from point A to B, it's about redefining how we travel. Imagine skipping traffic and arriving faster, all while enjoying the thrill of flight. The Klein Vision AirCar is a huge step forward in making flying cars a practical reality. It's designed for commuters and adventurers who value performance, style, and convenience. Would you take the leap into this exciting new world of personal air travel? Overaent TV1000. Meet the Overaent TV1000, the ultimate snow clearing machine. This state-of-the-art powerhouse is specially designed to tackle snow on airports, highways, and vast open areas. Built to withstand the harshest winter conditions, the TV1000 boasts a high-performance engine and cutting-edge technology. These features enable it to handle massive volumes of snow with ease, ensuring that critical routes stay operational even during severe snowstorms. Airports and highways rely on the TV1000 to keep runways and roads clear, maintaining safety and efficiency. Its advanced design combines durability, efficiency, and unmatched performance. However, this level of capability comes at a price. The Overaent TV1000 often exceeds $500,000. While costly, it's a worthy investment for organizations that require fast and reliable snow removal. If your priority is keeping essential routes safe and operational in extreme winter weather, the Overaent TV1000 is the ultimate solution. Durable, efficient, and highly effective, it's built to conquer large-scale snow removal challenges. Would you like to add more details or focus on specific features? Rabbit R1. The Rabbit R1 is a compact and innovative gadget that combines modern functionality with a touch of nostalgia. Resembling a retro handheld TV or a playful console, this sleek device is both stylish and versatile. Measuring just 3x3x 0.5 inches and weighing 115 grams, it's incredibly portable. The R1 features a 2.88-inch touchscreen, a rotating camera, and a scroll wheel with a button for navigation. It also supports voice commands, making it easy to use. Under the hood, it's powered by a 2.3 GHz MediaTek MT6765 processor, paired with 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, ensuring smooth performance. Designed by teenage engineering, the R1 stands out with its vibrant lush orange body and thoughtfully crafted features. The device is equipped with a 2-watt speaker, delivering clear sound, and supports Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi, 2.4G and 5G, and 4G LTE connectivity. Its 1000 mAh battery ensures all-day use, making it perfect for on-the-go lifestyles. Whether you're drawn to its nostalgic design or its modern capabilities, the Rabbit R1 is a unique gadget that bridges the gap between past and present. Compact, functional, and eye-catching, it's a standout piece of tech. Would you like additional information or a focus on specific features? Wisk Aero Cora. The future of autonomous air travel. The Wisk Aero Cora is a groundbreaking autonomous eVTOL aircraft designed for 2 passengers. It offers a cruising speed of 110 miles per hour and a range of 62 miles. Flying between 500 and 3,000 feet, the Cora can even reach altitudes of up to 10,000 feet. Powered entirely by electricity, it uses 12 vertical lift propellers and a pusher propeller to achieve smooth flight. Its design is supported by a 36-foot main wing for stability. Safety is a top priority. The distributed electric propulsion system ensures the aircraft can still land safely even if some propellers fail. This innovative design sets the stage for efficient and reliable autonomous air travel. The Wisk Aero Cora promises to redefine how we think about the future of flying, offering a glimpse of what air transportation could be. Flying Ship Company transforming maritime logistics. The Flying Ship Company is changing the game in maritime shipping with its new unmanned vehicles, called flying ships. These innovative vessels are based on Soviet-era ekranoplan technology, which lets them skim just above the water by using the ground effect, essentially gliding on a cushion of air. By blending this technology with modern hybrid electric power, these flying ships offer a faster, cheaper, and greener way to transport goods. They aim to bridge the gap between traditional sea freight, which can be slow, and air cargo, which is often costly. With improved fuel efficiency and reduced carbon emissions, these autonomous vessels could revolutionize logistics by providing quicker and more affordable shipping options. Operating close to the water, they can also dock at almost any shoreline, opening up new possibilities for global trade. The company is currently working on patents for this cutting-edge technology. Flux Primo. The Flux Primo electric dirt bike brings an exciting mix of power, agility, and advanced technology. It features a 7 kWh swappable battery, giving you excellent range and power. Best of all, you can swap out the battery in less than a minute, ensuring you can keep riding without long charging times. Powered by a 450-volt system, the high RPM motor delivers 85 horsepower and a staggering 750 Nm of torque at the rear wheel. This bike is built for performance. Thanks to its 95% motor efficiency and advanced water cooling system, the Primo ensures top performance in any condition, from rough terrains to long rides. The bike also has a smart control system, which allows you to customize your ride settings through a smartphone. Built-in sensors like accelerometers, GPS, and gyros help enhance both performance and safety. With a low center of gravity, a lightweight aluminum frame, and premium suspension that includes KYB forks and an Öhlins TTX shock, the Flux Primo guarantees excellent handling and stability, no matter the terrain. The Flux Primo is designed to push the limits, giving riders a seamless, powerful experience on any off-road adventure. ASAP Hybrid Helicopter. Groundbreaking aircraft concept. The ASAP Hybrid Helicopter is an innovative aircraft that combines the best of traditional helicopters with cutting-edge hybrid technology. This unique design uses both electric and conventional fuel power to improve efficiency, reduce emissions, and extend flight range. The ASAP Hybrid Helicopter is built for both civilian and military use. It features advanced propulsion systems that make it quieter and more eco-friendly compared to traditional helicopters. The hybrid technology reduces its environmental impact while maintaining the power and performance expected from modern aircraft. One of the standout features of the ASAP Hybrid Helicopter is its ability to take off and land vertically. This gives it unmatched versatility for a wide range of applications, including urban transportation, rescue missions, and exploration. The hybrid design marks a significant step toward more sustainable aviation. It brings together performance, flexibility, and eco-friendliness in a way that sets a new standard for future helicopters.